Fried ribs. I ain't never saw fried ribs in my life. Fried ribs. I do not know how to work the camera, so y'all got to excuse me. And I just added this Creole seasoning. That's all. Because I don't like too much. Spices or salt. And these are not for me. These are for my family. But yeah, I'll show you the finished product when I get done on the plate. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up my cabbage. I usually cut it middle. Cut it in different sections. It really doesn't matter. I already washed my cabbage off. some people take this core off, which I am, because it's too hard to cook. Cut out the cabbage up in a lot of little pieces. Be able to chew. Okay, so I have a big pot here that I'm going to put the cabbage in. And some people prefer like onions and stuff like inside their cabbage, but me, I really don't. I'm just used to sometimes they use like ham hock or something like, well, I use bacon. So I'm going to add slices of bacon because it gives it that smoke flavor too. And all I do is just cut it up, small pieces, spread it around. It just depends on how much bacon you like to give it that smoke flavor, and that will add the salt. Now, some people prefer like onions inside their cabbage, but I do not, because I do not like onions like that. Just make sure everything is cut up where you can be able to have bite-sized pieces. And if you do want any type of seasoning, sometimes, hold on. Okay, I'll add like vinegar, like after I put water inside the pot, but I'm going to do it now to show you guys how much I put on this cabbage. It's really not that much. Like, some people like a lot of vinegar, but I really don't, because I'm like, I don't like too much salty and all that extra stuff. And so I'm going to put a little pepper. Then I'm going to go, hold on, I'm going to go and add a little water. Okay, as you can see, I added a little water to that, and now I'm going to put it on the fire. So I'm going to have to come back and put it on the fire for you. Okay, this is how the cabbage is bubbling. It's getting there. And I just got to frying some of the fried ribs. Now I'm about to add some more to the pot. This is our first time trying fried ribs. So I'm about to cook cabbage, fried ribs, and macaroni and cheese, and sweet cornbread. You might not see me cook cornbread because my video is too, it's too much time. That's all I'm saying. It's too much time to make all the cornbread. But next video, I'll show you how we make cornbread. That's that grandma cornbread. You know what I'm saying? The grandma cornbread. Good. Bomb. So let me show you my ribs. Yeah. I want to touch. Yeah. Still got that cabbage cooking. You know what I'm saying? See, when you cook cabbage, it ain't that much. And then you can add like some oil. That's the secret. The oil to make it soft. Sometimes some people don't like oil because I guess all that fat and cholesterol. I don't know. But hey, me, I get it in because that's how my grandma taught me how to cook like that. And the stuff that you see up on there, that's like you have to that's crushed peppers. But anyway, back to this. Yeah. Now while this is cooking right here in my cabbage, I'm going to get another pot to get the macaroni and cheese. Now as far as the cornbread, like I said, I'm not going to cook that on camera or whatever, but yeah, so this is my meal. And after all this get done, I'll show you the final plate. But yeah, we trying this. It's new. It's called fried ribs, and yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to use the regular mac and cheese. So I'm just going to pour it. Second box. Sorry about the fan. It has to be on because I live in an apartment. And as far as my apartment, if you turn on anything that's smelling like it's burning, the fan has to be on because we will hear the smoke detector. You guys know how that is. So I'm going to let that cook. Still looking at the chicken, the ribs. Look at that. Almost done. Getting there, getting there, getting there. Y'all should smell it. It smells so good. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. That girl can cook. Go right over here. Not boiling yet. Okay, now I'm going to switch this over. So yeah, so basically now I have to do my cornbread, but like I said, I'm not going to show you how I make that cornbread. Maybe next time on another video. So yeah, it's cooking pretty good. Okay, now Okay, I added the milk and the butter already. I'm just going to add the cheese. Shake. Second package. Hold it. Oops, I'm talking to my daughter. She won't hold the camera, y'all. Gotta get a spoon. Alright, now I'm gonna stir this. It's almost good. Almost done. Here. I don't put it like that. Thanks. Look at that. Almost done. Creamy macaroni and cheese. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let that simmer down. I still gotta cook a little. And yeah. So I'm gonna just turn over these ribs because they're simmering down. Ooh, that's too much. I kind of turned the fire off so I could turn the macaroni and cheese. Okay. Now you see how that's going, but I'm going to show you the other ribs that I just got through making. Delicious. Wow. Guys should try it. So, the next time when you come back, I'm going to show you how I made our plates. And yeah. So, once again, this is how the cabbage is cooking down. It's almost done. And just remember, you guys, this is my first time on YouTube. And I will be on here as long as I can. But remember to always subscribe and like. If you want to comment, go right ahead. God bless you. Now here you go. Here's a full plate. Macaroni and cheese, cabbage, and fried ribs. And this is my son's plate. He does not like cornbread, so we didn't put the cornbread on this plate. And always remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share, or comment. Thank you. God bless you, and have a nice day. Till the next video, I'll see you. Peace.